All right, Dr. Ktuner here. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm very excited. I'm sure you can read the title already and you already know why, but we're going to pick up the tuner for the RSX. I'll talk more about it when we get there, but I just want to say real quick, sorry if I look dead. It's not like 95 degrees out. I just got off work. It's really hot. I'm chilling in the AC. I haven't uploaded in like a month, and the reason for that is because of this. I've been waiting on this. I'm orchestrating everything together. It's all panning out, and I would have had the tuner sooner, but you know, UPS, you play tag with them, and then back and forth. So I'm just gonna go pick it up from the UPS store. All right, just got to the UPS store. I'm gonna pick up the package. All right, finally got the box inside. Let's go ahead and open. I've already opened, obviously, but go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we got. There it is. You can see it through the bubble wrap. We got the Ktuner program user kit, and then the old ECU module behind it. I'm gonna take this out first. This is our Ktuner user kit. Let's go ahead and open this up. We got right here the USB that goes to the laptop, or to and from the laptop to the ECU, or the Ktuner itself. So there's the plug, there's the USB. Set that aside. Right here we have a Ktuner welcome card. Please visit these websites if you need help or anything like that. So that's cool. Set that aside. Right here I think is just extra wiring in case something happens. I don't think I'm going to be needing this on my application, but I guess I'll find out. It should be plug and play from what I can tell and what I read, but I guess it's always nice to have extra wires in case something goes down. So I'll set that aside for now. And then yes, of course, we do get stickers. So we have our Ktuner stickers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them actually. Not sure. Oh, 2 are black and then 2 are white. There we go. That's what that is. So I'm probably not gonna put these on the car. I don't know. I probably won't. If I do, I don't know. Tell me where I should put these on the car, because I already have stickers on the quarter window. So probably won't end up putting it on the car. So whatever. And that was all that's in this box. Like I said, the actual Ktuner itself is already installed onto the ECU, which we're about to see. Oh man, look at this. Beautiful. There's actually a cover on it. I didn't see the cover. There's actually a cover. So I don't have to worry about getting lint or dust in it. Put that aside. And here is the mothership. Right there. For off-road racing use only. And there it is right there. That's kind of hard to reflection, but right there, that little black motherboard there is the Ktuner motherboard that gets soldered on, and that is what will be controlling this whole module now. So it seems to me that it's plug and play, so everything that is on the factory ECU that's in the car now, it'll all boot right up to there. And gonna look at this, and this is a really nice thing they do here. So obviously I got the package deal. I got the ECU with the Ktuner program, or the motherboard pre-soldered on, and so I didn't have to do any labor work to it. It's plug and play. So yeah, brand new ECU, brand new Ktuner program. So yeah, this is it. Okay, now that we are in the car, we're going to go ahead and take out everything we need to get to the ECU. So, if you don't know, it is down here. under the glove box. So what you're gonna want to do, there are clips right there and right there. So take these out. Okay, now the clips are out, this just falls down. Set that aside for now. And there is the ECU right there. So to get this out, all you're going to need is ratchet and a 10 mil socket. So there's a bolt there, a bolt there, and a bolt back there. So let me get this out and then I will be back. All right, there is the 3 bolts out, and now it's just gonna dangle down. So there is your factory ECU, how to get it free and ready to disconnect. All right, here is the Ktuner one, side by side with the stock one. As you can tell, it's pretty much, it's plug and play, which is nice. So not a whole lot of modification we have to do. We are gonna have to open this case though to get to the Ktuner program. But as far as hooking it up, it's all plug and play. All right, factory ECU is released from the wiring harness. So you can go ahead and don't toss it, but in case you need it again, but set it aside. Okay, now we got the Ktuner ECU in, all plugged up and snug. You can just set your stock one aside, you don't really need it right now. Next, what we're gonna need to do is right there, there's the connection for the USB to go to the laptop. And then we're gonna start setting up the software and then go from there. All right, so we plugged it in there and we got the laptop going. All right, so now you're gonna wanna go to, well, obviously go to the Ktuner website and download the software. All right, after it finds the ECU, some of your temps and stuff are gonna start showing up. All right, so in Ktuner here on the new file, you're gonna get all the base maps to pick from. So in my instance, we do K20Z1, and then all these reflash options here, 1, 2, 3. You get pretty in depth, as you see. Like you can even do custom stuff. So in my sake, it'd be reflash 2 with intake header exhaust. All right, after you select your base map, one thing you really want to do is go into main parameters, go down to disable and / monitors, and then you're going to want to disable the immobilizer, or else you're going to sit here and just crank for 10 minutes. So do that before you upload, make sure that's ticked, and then you're going to want to, after that and you're happy with everything else, go ahead and upload the base code. So you're going to get a warning just to make, because you're in accessory mode. If the car dies, you're going to probably brick the ECU and you're going to just mess it up. So go ahead and read that. Go ahead, agree to that. Now you're going to get a erasing ECU code, or a message down here. It's going to take a second. ECU erased, and it's going to start loading and reflashing your base map. So let that fill out. All right, once that's finished, you'll get a message here saying reflash is finished. Turn the key off and hit OK. So go ahead and take it out of accessory mode. Hit OK. If I can find it. Count to 5 and then turn it back onto accessory mode. So 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5. Put it back. Hit OK. Okay. Make sure we set the logging. So now you are all set to fire up. So let me go back to the layout screen so we can monitor all of our numbers. All right, got the screen pulled up. Go ahead and fire it up. Let the car get up to temp, let the idle chill out, and then Open up the real-time tuning stuff here just to make sure car's at temp. Start playing around with stuff. We got adjustable two-step, anti-lag, just fun stuff to mess with. I don't know. I don't overdo it, but it's just fun to mess with. So 4K. Let's see. Sorry, neighbors. And there we go. It works. All right, Dr. Tune 'em all here. All right. Let's see here. 25. All right, we got the new Basemap flashed. We're about to go test it out. Should rev out to 86 with the VTEC engagement lowered down to, I think, around 4. All right, we just arrived in Mexico for this next thing. I'm only going to do this like this time because you're not supposed to do it that much, but we're going to be messing with two-step and anti-lag just to show you guys what Ktuner can do. All right, so first thing we did up here in the rev limit tab is we went ahead and changed fuel cut to ignition cut, and we left it at the low limit to 55. And then so that means all right, so if you guys do any type of anti-lag, two-stepping, and anything with real-time tuning, just be sure after you're done, disable the real-time tuning and then re-upload your map. So that's all you gotta do with that. All right, so in conclusion, about what I expected. Yeah, for day one stuff, you gotta get it out of the way, get it recorded, ignition cut, everything like that, all the fun stuff, but sounds really good. That's all I'm gonna mess with today is just doing that. We've already did pools on the what is it, Flash 2 or whatever, and then we did ignition cut and stuff like that. So that's it for this one. I think the next tuning thing we'll do, I'm going to get a Yash tune, so I'm gonna have to data log and do all that. That's gonna be probably a little bit later, but just be expecting that as the next big step for the car. But other than that, I think it was a success. I know I didn't get any like flames with the pops because I have a muffler, or a muffler that actually has like baffles and stuff, so you're not gonna get pops. But it still sounds cool. Yeah, that's it, and I'm just really bright. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.